People at home, we're about to do this. This is number 1 on that worksheet. I put in there, watch the video. Here's the video. Ready? Because you don't know what this word spectator ion means. This is all a review, okay? Now look, this bad boy is already balanced. One thing I would like to do is I like to put a 1 there, okay? That just helps, okay? So the complete ionic equation, this thing's already balanced. So check this out. Right here, right, there are 2 potassiums with a +1 charge, and there's 2 chlorines with a -1 charge. And there's a lead, and do you see how this 2 here is on the nitrate? We know nitrate's -1, so this lead must have been +2. There's a lead that's +2, and there's 2 nitrates that are -1. And so these are all the ions floating individually in the water, right? Right? And then we're going to go over here. This is aqueous, okay? So there's going to be 2 potassiums here and 2 nitrates with a -1 here. And this is the precipitate. See, it says solid. S is the same thing as saying PPT. So PbCl2, you just keep written together. You don't split that one up, okay? So that's the complete ionic equation. That's all of the ions, okay? And don't go, oh, you went too fast. Play it again. It's a video. Like, play it again. We did this yesterday, all right? And there's also an Edpuzzle on this, right? Okay? Now, the net ionic is only the things that make the precipitate. So potassium does not make lead chloride, okay? So it's not part of it. Chlorine makes lead chloride. So 2 chlorines and a lead that's +2. This isn't in it, this isn't in it, this isn't in it. Boom, they make this. Make the precipitate, which is PbCl2. That is the net ionic. Now this term down here you've never seen before, but it seems rather obvious. Spectator ions. Are the spectators part of the game? No. So the spectator ions are these guys that aren't doing anything. So the spectator ions, your 2 positive chlorines, excuse me, I should not have circled that. Pretend I didn't circle that. And the 2 nitrates, they're not doing anything. Those are the I know you don't even need a plus there if you don't want it. The spectator ions are the 2 potassium ions and the 2 nitrates. They're not doing anything. Does that make sense? They're just swimming around in the water watching. The only guys that are doing anything, the lead and chloride, are getting together to make lead chloride. These guys are doing nothing. They're the spectators. End of video. Cut.